We are just days away from the new year, and amongst other things, what that means is new laws. Let's get over to Nicole right now to explain what you need to know for 2017.
Yeah, Greg, 2017 will be here before you know it, and a number of new laws are going into effect in our state. Legal analyst Vikas Bajaj is giving us a crash course on what you can expect. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Okay, so this is a big one. We're talking an increase in the state's minimum wage. What do businesses and employees really need to know at this point?
Well, it really depends which type of a business, what type of business you are. If you're a larger business or a corporation employing over 26 individuals, well, then you have to start January 1st, 2017, just a few days away, to start increasing your minimum wage for employees. It means that you will start to increase to $10.50 now, and gradually until 2022, you will reach then, California will reach $15 per hour. If you have fewer than 26 employees, however, you will not be affected until 2018. So it just sets back by 1 year the amount of time one has to comply with the new law.
Okay, another big one a lot of people are talking about. California, already one of the toughest states for gun control laws, and now even more so when we're talking about assault weapons. Can you explain that one?
Yes, it seems like California is in a race with itself to have the strictest gun laws, and they're doing a really good job of winning it. The interesting thing now is with the category of assault weapons. A little while back, the legislature changed the law to make it impossible to detach a magazine quickly. In other words, you are required to have a tool to do so. Well, manufacturers and local machinists and national machinists have gone around that and created what's called a bullet button. That's right. So you can use the tip of the bullet to depress the button on the side of the lower portion of, for instance, an AR-15. That would allow the magazine to detach, so then you can then insert another one loaded with, in California, up to 10 bullets or missiles. Well, that's changed. Now California said, we don't like that workaround. We want you to be able to have to use a tool. So now that detachable magazine with the bullet button is no more. The question is, what if you already have one? What do you do? Well, you have to now license it with the Department of Justice, probably checking in with an FFL dealer.
Okay, and then one more quick one I want to touch on, the no texting while driving law. It's getting even stricter, so now no sort of social media apps either while you're driving, which makes sense.
That's correct, and not only the social media apps, but also the GPS navigation apps. So you're allowed to have one touch or one swipe. Anything other than that is illegal. So the statistics are clear. People die when people aren't paying attention driving. The legislature is doing their best to address that.
All right. Thank you so much, Vic, for being with us.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Okay, Greg, I'll send it back to you.